Hi, this is Seth from Circuit Board Medics. Today we're talking about a common issue with New Holland skid steers found in a variety of models, including the LS170 and LX465, where the control panel suddenly has no power at all. This, of course, can be extremely disruptive as it prevents you or your business from getting work done. If the instrument panel of your New Holland skid steer stays dark, and you're not getting any response from the controls, it's likely an internal failure of the panel, things like faulty components and broken connections. Once there's a failure, the entire module will lose its functionality. Finding a replacement part can either be expensive or hard to source, and used units are a gamble. That's why we offer a rebuild service that restores your original module and addresses the root cause of the problem. We fully remanufacture and test the panel before we send it back. Our plug-and-play solution functions better than new and will prevent future failures. All you need to do is ship your module to us, we'll repair it, and within one business day, ship it back to you, complete with a 1-year warranty. These New Holland panels aren't the only repair that we offer for agricultural and construction equipment. We're here for all of your off-highway needs, from skid steers and tractors to wheel loaders, combines, and anything in between. With years of experience and state-of-the-art equipment, we address a wide variety of electronic failures in a myriad of modules. If you can't get work done because your equipment is down, visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.